my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. To all my oldies but goodies, welcome. So in today's video, I'll be doing a review on this hair. And this is a wig from wigtypes.com. All information will be listed in the description bar below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. So this is the wig before I removed it from the pack. It comes in a standard packaging. Let's go ahead and remove that. So this is the wig coming straight out of the package. The hair is gorgeous. It is so pretty. It's very light. And again, this wig is from wigtypes.com, and this is the Freetress Equal Lace Deep Invisible L part. The hair is super gorge, and this hair can take up to 400 degrees in heat, so you are able to go ahead and apply some curl or some heat to this hair. It will not damage the hair. So this is in the style Sammi, and this is in the number OM23033. It's a beautiful color, and I love the color that's below here. I think it is so pretty. So it is a lace front wig. The lace on the front is a little bit firm. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. I'm also going to be doing some plucking to the part on the front. Also, the hair is a symmetrical bob, so one side is longer than the other, and I'm definitely loving the loose curls. Let's turn the wig on the other side to see what the inside looks like. So here in the front we have the L part. And then we have two combs on the opposite side. We also have one comb in the back and two adjustable straps. And I will also apply some concealer to get a more natural look. But overall, the hair is absolutely beautiful. So now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna remove the lace, I'm gonna pluck it a little bit, and then I'm gonna try the wig on. So now I'm finished with tweezing the part, and it's looking way better, as you can see. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of concealer to give it a more natural look. And there we have it. So I've removed the lace and I've applied the concealer, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Let me just attach the straps in the back for a better fit. Okay, there we have it. And this is it. You really don't have to do too much to this wig. It's ready to go. It's very light and it's pretty natural looking. What else can I say? The wig is gorgeous. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can have a look at the back. So this wig is a everyday wear. The color, it's not too bright. You could definitely just throw this on and go. So yeah, that's basically it for this review. I hope you guys like it. I will leave the link to this wig in the description bar below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the other one. You enchant me.